Well, they are fighting multiple battles at the same time, but despite that, the Aam Aadmi Party has opened up a new front, openly accusing the BJP of trying to topple the Aam Aadmi Party government in the capital.
Aam Aadmi Party MLA Madan Lal has made a startling claim that a person close to the Gujarat Chief Minister tried to buy him off repeatedly, offering him close to 20 crore rupees. The Aam Aadmi Party also announced their Poll Khol campaign, which they say will expose both the BJP and the Congress.
दस दिन पहले मुझे दो लोग मेरे पास आए। उनमें से जो तीसरा आदमी था वो मेरे जान का था, जिससे उन्हें भेजा था। उस आदमी ने अपने आप को गुजरात का बता के, सीएम का बहुत नजदीकी आदमी बता के मुझे बात की और भरोसा दिलाया कि वो एक जिम्मेवार व्यक्ति है, जो कहेगा वो करेगा। उसने मुझे कहा कि अगर मैं 9 आदमी अपने साथ जोड़ लूं तो हम एक नया दल बना के आपको चीफ मिनिस्टर और आपके और साथियों को कैबिनेट रैंक के मिनिस्टर और दूसरे मिनिस्टर बनवा सकते हैं और इसमें पूरा भारतीय जनता पार्टी मदद करेगी। मेरे ये पूछने पर फिर कितने दिन उसने मुझे आगे ऑफर दिया कि इसके अलावा हम आपको 20-20 और दे देंगे। जब मैंने पूछा 20 लाख से कहा नहीं 20 करोड़। उससे कहा जो कैबिनेट रैंक का मिनिस्टर होगा उसे हम 10 करोड़ देंगे और आपको 20। जब मैंने कहा 20 मेरे लिए तो सीएम के लिए 20।
66 साल के बाद पहली बार जो देश के आम आदमी में उम्मीद जगी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी उस उम्मीद को कुचलना चाहती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस सरकार को गिराना चाहती है और ये चाहती है कि हमारा प्रयास रुक जाए। लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी ने फैसला लिया है कि इन दोनों दलों का सच हम दिल्ली की जनता के सामने रखेंगे। इनके खिलाफ पोल खोल अभियान चलाएंगे। ये बताएंगे कि किस प्रकार से बिजली कंपनियों के इशारे पर ये सारा खेल चल रहा है। 2 दिन पहले जैसे ही अरविंद केजरीवाल कहते हैं दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर, जब बिजली संकट आता है और कहते हैं कि हम बिजली कंपनियों का लाइसेंस रद्द करेंगे, तब से पूरा घटनाक्रम तेज हो जाता है। तुरंत नरेंद्र मोदी का भी बयान आता है, तुरंत अरुण जेटली भी सक्रिय होते हैं, तुरंत हर्षवर्धन भी सक्रिय होते हैं। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कराई जाती है, सरकार गिरा दी जाएगी, एकदम 48 घंटे के अंदर गिरा दी जाएगी।
Pooja Shelley now joining us live from outside the Constitution Club, where that press conference was held. Pooja, startling claims once again coming from the Aam Aadmi Party. We had heard similar claims of poaching from Kumar Vishwas earlier, but on both occasions we have seen that a party which otherwise puts out names has refused to do so.
That's right. In fact, what basically the Bharatiya Janata Party did was they not only blamed the BJP for planting stories, but they also said that they are approaching MLAs from the Aam Aadmi Party. For example, they are providing and they're in fact approaching the MLAs saying that you will be given 20 crores for if you're interested in the Deputy Chief Minister position. Other MLAs can be given 10 crores, which means that you resign from the Aam Aadmi Party. We'll form a new party, and then we will in fact try and overthrow the Aam Aadmi Party leading the Delhi government, and then perhaps either with the BJP or otherwise as a new government and a new party, we can make a government, and that is when you will be given these positions. So this is how the Aam Aadmi Party is making these charges very serious in nature. But the fact is they have very specifically also hit out at senior leaders of the BJP, including Arun Jaitley and the Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. Now, when the question was put to them about what proof do they really have when they are making these claims, this is where in fact they evaded any response. But they said we have witnesses here, we have the MLAs here, and that is why they're speaking on record. But do they have any specific proof about why these allegations were made? That is where they did not have a response. But I can tell you, going by the strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party, they seem very confident because they say that our MLAs are not going to run anywhere, but they are being approached by the BJP specifically, and it is all conspiracy by the BJP and the Congress to topple the Aam Aadmi Party government. We already know that
Right.
the political war of words has already begun. The BJP has attacked them, but the question is, will this strategy really work for the AAP in the future, or is this just an attempt to really gain more popularity ahead of Lok Sabha polls?
Do stay on with us, Pooja. I'll come back to you. Let's listen to what the BJP's position on the entire matter is. They have called the Aam Aadmi Party's claims of attempted poaching absolutely baseless, even challenging the party to name those who allegedly offered the AAP MLA Madan Lal 20 crores to switch sides.
आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं के ऊपर जो आरोप लगा रहे हैं वो बेबुनियाद है। अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सरकार बनानी होती तो पहले से ही जोड़ तोड़ करके सरकार बना लेती। इनके लोग तोड़ने की हमको कोई आवश्यकता नहीं थी। नंबर एक बात, क्या इनके लोग, इन्होंने कहा था हमने ईमानदार लोगों को टिकट दी है, क्या वो लोग बिकाऊ हैं? क्या वो लोगों को बुला रहे हैं क्या कि हमको खरीद लो? और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आज आम आदमी पार्टी से लोगों का बहुत
Shakil Ahmed earlier today tweeted that a BJP ally MLA is offering money to AAP MLAs to bring the government down. Let's listen in to that reaction.
वकील जी, आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई एमएलए है जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं बीजेपी को, जो पैसे देके गवर्नमेंट गिरवाना चाह रहे हैं दिल्ली में।
No, I have said I haven't leveled any charge against any party or any individual. I have said that there are apprehensions that BJP, with the help of its ally, want the MLAs from AAP and some allies of AAP to resign their seats to give BJP a clear-cut majority to form the government. I haven't leveled charge. I have started my tweet as, is it true? And it ends with note of interrogation. So I haven't leveled charge against any political party or any individual.
But sir, you must be having some information to have tweeted this. You've set the ball rolling for a larger debate because AAP is also saying that BJP is trying to pull the government down. So can you share any bit of information or gossip also that you must have heard that has led you to tweet this?
There were speculation in the political circle, and just half an hour or 45 minutes after my tweet, BJP, Aam Aadmi parties in its press conference have substantiated the speculation which was in the political circle.
Some people in AAP are saying that you are referring to an Akali MLA.
No, I haven't directed my tweet against any individual or any political party. I have just said that there are speculation.